your gloves. Thought you might like them. Yeah, all the clamps and everything else are vastly better, superior to what I had in my old Clark welder.
Yeah. I've got a Clark welder too.
Yeah. Oh, the Clark welder works. It did stick stuff together.
It did.
It did it.
Just about.
Yeah. Hey?
Decent length leads as well.
As long as it works. Actually, the clamp looks the same as yours.
Yeah, they'll be all the same. Well, I think that's a 200 amp.
Yeah.
That's a 300.
All right, okay. For a 170 amp machine.
Yeah.
How many amps is yours?
100, 180.
All right. So can I say mine's bigger than yours then?
Oh, 162.
All right. So mine is bigger than yours.
It is, yeah.
Yeah. Mine's bigger than yours. Although it's actually smaller.
Yeah. Tiny thing.
Well, as long as it works.
Crank it all the way up.
Yeah. You've got some poke.
Yeah. And popped it.
Oh. There was a 13 amp fuse in there, wasn't it?
It's a 13 amp plug.
Yeah. I don't mean it's a 13 amp fuse. It might have had a 5 amp fuse in there or something. So. Yeah, but 13 amp fuse should have taken that out, shouldn't it? It might just be a cheap fuse.
Could have been. Or if it's bad supply to the plug.
Well, we've driven compressors and all, three horse compressors all off that plug, so
Yeah.
should do. There's a bit more power than that, isn't he?
Yeah.
Hey?
120 is alright.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. They're only like little
Little rods.
mils, so.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Mm.
Alright, isn't it?
Well, that one definitely melted better than the first
Yeah.
one, didn't it? So.
Yeah. Stuck on there at least anyway.
It's not coming off, is it? Right. Thank you, Peter. Yeah, the old Clark would be good. And that thing's just going, oh yeah, yeah. No effort, yes, okay, carry on. How many rods are we going to get through, do you reckon? A few.
Some.
Yeah.
All you'd want.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I thought the glove was on fire there. Might have to go over that.
Yeah, a bit quick there, wasn't it?
Yeah. Well, that was when the glove started. That's when the glove started. I was going, what's going on here? Yeah. That went faster than I thought it was going to.
It did, didn't it? There's a problem with like the 2.5 mil.
Yeah. Thought I'd let go of it. There's a hammer.
No.
What? No what? You don't want to go?
Teacher?
That's all right. I ain't doing very well anyway, so.
I'm very tired.
Right,
Are you
mind,
teaching my dad to weld?
mind your eyes.
Not now.
No, it's just going a bit quicker than I'm used to.
Okay.
Come on, mask.
Is it black?
Yeah. I'm having to guess to start. Too far away, too far away, too far away. Get closer. Oh, he's going fast. Eh?
Nah. What, the petrol one? That's AC, not DC.
The whole rod's glowing. Yeah, the whole rod is glowing.
I think they might be a little small.
Eh?
I think they might be a little small for it.
Eh?
You've been doing it.
No. I'm just having a go, but it's going like it's going. Yeah. Oh no, there's an absolute subtle difference between his welding and mine. I've got another inch on this, and I'll finish that off another.
Chuck it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
quick. As you get short, it goes faster and faster and faster.
Yeah. I did notice that as well. I've turned it down to 100.
Yeah. Yeah, literally, as soon as I get halfway,
Yeah.
I can't keep up. Well, I can. That's better than the first one. I just feel the glove getting hot, so I've got to let go of it.
It's very difficult to move though, isn't it?
Yeah. If anything, I could do with the bucket tipped forward a bit.
Yeah.
You could do with just going forward a bit. That's just an excuse, you understand? No. I don't think it's going to come unstuck.
Oh no.
It's just not very tidy.
Not going
Eh?
Not going
Took longer to cut it all off, the rest of it off, than it did to put this on. So, right. Well, I'm going to do this last bit. And I'm going to give him back his welder then.
Your one, is it?
Well, I just want a bit of evidence that I did do a bit. You know, even if I did a bit badly, I just did a bit. I think I was improving towards the end.
Figured you might be filming, that's why I put my face on.
Alright. So, right. All yours.
Good job.
We'll let the professional have a go at it rather than the amateur.
You've been filming the whole time, haven't you?
Yeah.
Told you.
I assumed as much.
Yeah.
Did he ask for permission? Did he get your consent?
No, he's on my property. So he's seeing my daughter, so that's as far as I'm concerned. So, Dave's Weld. Ian's Weld. 9.9995 out of 10.
It'll never be 10.
Three and a bit. Out of 100.
Yeah.
You feel silly? Better than blind. I'm actually using the camera as a mask.